Illegal souvenirs. While on holiday, people want to buy something unique from the area to show people back home. Sometimes, unknowingly, people buy souvenirs that are illegal. So, what should tourists avoid when traveling abroad? Ivory is a white material that comes from elephant tusks. Trading ivory is illegal because elephants are endangered animals. Poachers take their tusks and sell them to make jewelry such as bracelets and necklaces. Because of this, African elephants are close to extinction. Sea turtles have a hard covering or shell which protects them from harm. Tourists might buy turtle shell souvenirs like bracelets, rings and jewelry boxes. In most places, sea turtles are protected by law, which means selling shell souvenirs is illegal. Due to hunting, the population of sea turtles is declining quickly. You might know that coral reefs are under threat from global warming, but another threat to them is coral poaching. This is when people dive into coral reefs and break off pieces of coral to make expensive jewelry. In some places you can buy coral jewelry legally, but next time you see a coral bracelet, stop and think about the future of the world's coral reefs.